Hi guys, welcome to codeartisanlab. This is video number 33 for gym management system in Django. And in this video, we are going to mainly create the change password functionality for the trainer panel. Okay, so in our previous video, we have seen that how we can show the assigned subscriber. We have shown the payments for the payments for the payments in the trainer panel, which will added by the admin. And now in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to create the change password functionality. Okay, so in this we will mainly do two things. The first thing is we will create the form. Okay, we will create the custom form. Till now we have created the all forms via model, but in this video we are going to create a custom form. Okay, and in the then we will get the old password and the new password, then we will submit the form and change the password. Okay, and after changing the password, we will log out the trainer and redirect to the login page. So these two things that we are going to do in this video. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. So first we need to create the form, and we will modify our views and urls.py file. So let's open the urls.py file here. Okay, and let's create here trainer change password. Okay, so this will be trainer change password. So I will same copy here the name and the view. Okay, and let's create the view for this. So I'll go here and border app, and after that here change trainer change password. So trainer change password. Okay, here request. Okay, we will get the trainer data from their session. Okay, we are storing the trainer data in the session. So I'll just copy this thing and paste it here, and I'll just copy this return render and paste it here, and trainer, and we will say change password, change password.html, and here we will show the form, but currently we didn't create the form, so we will just create the template. So I'll open the trainer panel, and we have a profile trainer payment. So let's copy the trainer subscriber this thing and copy this and create here the new form. Let's say trainer change password dot html. Okay, and actually we should copy the trainer profile, because in the trainer profile we have form. Okay, so I'll just copy this form in this. I'll just copy all the things with message. Okay, so I'll copy this thing here. Okay, and this will be change password, change password. Okay, and this form we will create from the form. So let's see how we can create the form. Okay, so I'll go to the forms. Here we have. Okay, so we are importing the forms, and now let's create here class trainer change password forms dot form. Okay, and here we will say old password equal to forms dot char field. Okay, and the maximum length is, let's say, 50. Okay, and let's say required equal to true. Okay, and another thing is new password, so this will be the same. Okay, and yeah, so we just need to I will just get this import this form here. So I will importing we are importing actually all the forms. So here we will create form equal to forms dot trainer change password. Okay, and we will pass the form here. Okay, so I hope you are understanding all the things. If you have any doubt in anything, any step, then please add in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, like this, subscribe this channel. Okay, so let's form, we have a form as table. Okay, and we will see how we can show the message later. Let's go to, first of all we need to also define the link in the left sidebar. So here we need to define change password. So I'll copy what we need to copy, this thing. Okay, so trainer change password. Okay, and we will also copy this for the active class. So this will be trainer change password. Okay, and let's, where it is, true is not defined. Actually we need to define where it is. This should be true in capital letter first. Okay, so let's refresh the page. So when we go to the change password, so here we have old and new password. We have created the form. Now we will check this old password if it exists for this user. Then we will go further and we will change the password. Okay, we will run the update query. Okay, so we have this thing. Okay, and we are storing the password. We are storing the trainer password. So we have a trainer object, this object, and we are getting the trainer object here, instance here. Now we will here, what we will do here, if request dot method equal to post, then what we will do here, the first thing is new password. New password is request dot post new password. Okay, and similarly we will get the old password. Okay, and we will match the new password in our database. Sorry, old password in our database. This is old, this should be new, and this will go here, and this will be new. Okay, and first thing, check old password. Okay, and actually why we are checking the old password, we can simply change the password, because if we know the old password, then why we want to change. But because if we need to create, actually we will create the, just remove the old password. I think we don't need the old password. Okay, we just need the, we can just yeah, we can just make it as a new password. We just change the password. Why we need the old password? Or just remove the old password, just add the new password here. Okay, and this will be new password, and we will update the trainer object. So what I will do here, we will just simply models.trainer object filter. What we will filter, we will filter that this thing dot update. What we are going to update, we are going to update models. Here we have trainer, and here we have pwd, and this will be equal to new password. Okay, and after that let's say update response equal to this. Okay, and we are updating this. We are modular filter pk equal to request to session, and update this. We don't need this, actually, this trainer model also. Actually we need this we just need, we will remove this. Okay, so we have this thing. Now if update response, it means if it's returned true, then what we will do here, we will just simply log out. Okay, so how we can log out? So here we have, if you see here, we have created this thing. Okay, so we will just apply this thing here. So we will simply request this session, this thing, and remove the trainer, redirect on the trainer login. Okay, and if not, then we will return the some message that something is wrong, something is wrong. Okay, and by default the message has none value. Okay, so here you can see that we are working with form, we are working in, we are updating this table. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's say we have password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, submit this. So we have now logged out and we are here. So let's apply the old password, invalid. Let's apply the new password. So it is working. Okay, so here you can see that we have applied this thing, very simple thing, how we can change the password. If you want to keep the old one, then you can keep the old one, but you need to match here. Okay, so if you want to keep the old one, then the first thing you need to match here, then you can apply the update thing. If not match, then you need to show the message. Okay, that thing. Okay, so in this video I just want to complete this change password functionality. In the next video we will work on the dashboard and we will work on the notification section and all the things. Okay, so it's time to say that thanks for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.